Hello, welcome to another productive series. In today's series, we would be solving a practical question in mathematics, substitution into formula, right? So let's quickly delve into our problem of the day, right? Find the positive value number of c in a given equation a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 50, where a is 5 and root b equals 2, right? So let's quickly solve it. Now, our given equation is a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals 50, where a equals 5 and root b equals 2, right? So that means we have been given, indirectly been given a and b, right? A square and b square, right? And whatever answer we get, when we square, whatever answer we get for a, b, and c, when we square them, they must add up to 50, right? So we were given our a to be 5, which is fine. There is no issue with it. And our b is root b equals 2, right? So here there is an issue. There is a root square here, and we have to eliminate that root square, right? In order for b to stand on its own, right? And there is no c, so we have to find c after finding our b, right? So in order to eliminate the root square around b, we have to square both sides, right? And when we square both sides, we will be able to cancel out the square root with the square around b, and also get a different value for our given value, which is 2, right? So our value would considerably change. Okay, so let's delve into it. So we introduce the root square on both sides of the equation, right? And afterwards we cancel out. Okay, so the square will cancel the root square out, leaving b to stand on its own, and 2 square is 4. 2 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4, right? Root square means 2 multiplying 2, right? Or the twice of 2, twice the number 2, right? So which is 2 multiplying 2, and that is 4. So our b is 4. So now we have our a as 5 and our b to be 4, right? So we put a and b into the given equation, which is a squared plus b squared plus c squared equal to 50, right? So in doing so, right, we insert, or we put our a and b into the equation. So we are going to have 5 squared plus 4 squared plus c squared equals 50. 5 squared is 25, right? 5 squared is 25 plus 4 squared is 16 plus c squared is equal to 50. So 25 plus 16 is 41, right? Because 5 plus 6 would give us 11, right? So we write 1 down and we put 1 on the side, okay? And 2 plus 1 is 3, plus another 1, the carry forward 1 is, we'll make it 4. So 25 plus 16 is 41. So we are going to have 41 plus 6, 41 plus c squared equals 50, right? So here c squared is positive, right? and we are looking for C, right? So that means 41 must leave the left hand side of the equation to the right hand side of the equation, right? So grouping like terms, C, which is an alphabet, and 41 and 50 is their numerals, right? Numbers, right? So we group like terms. So 41 would, which is a positive number, would jump the equal to sign and change it from to become a negative number. So every number that crosses the equal to sign changes its form to another state, right? So if it's a positive number, it will change its form to become a, a negative number. If it's a negative number, it will change its form to become a positive number after it has or it had crossed the equal to sign, right? So we are going to have our C square to be 50 minus 41, right? 50 minus 41 is, I believe it's 9, right? 50 minus 41, I believe it's 9. Yeah, so it's 9. And yeah, so we are going to have our C square equals 9, right? And whenever you have a square or a root square, right? These two things, if you want to eliminate them, you have to introduce one of them depending on who we are working with. So if we are working with a square, we have to introduce a root square. If we are working with a root square, you have to introduce a square in order to eliminate them, right? So here we are working with a square, C square, right? So we have to introduce a root square, right? Because we are working with a square here. So we have to introduce a root square in order to eliminate the square. And whatever you do for the left hand side, you do same for the right hand side, right? So you are going to have a new equation to be root squares, the square root of C square equals the square root of 9, right? So when we do our cancellations, okay, the square will cancel the root square, leaving C to stand on its own, and the root of 9 is 3, right? So therefore our C is 3, right? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Kindly do well to subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.